Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, Zing shoes. I don't know how many times I have to say it, but these replica companies do not come to play. They don't. And they don't miss. Like, hello? What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and as you read by the title, I'm coming to y'all with another replica shoe video. I'm gonna get my disclaimer. If you are not into replicas, it's not the video for you. Just click out of the video. These are replicas, like I said, and I don't promote scams. I've done a lot of replica videos for different companies. So y'all can go to other videos, look in the comments, and people have vouched that they've received their items. I'm about to just get into the video, y'all. So these shoes were sent to me by zingshoes.ru. These are the Jordan 1 Retro Silver Toes that I'm about to review. Zing Shoes, if you don't know, is a company that specializes in a whole bunch of different replica shoes. You can find Jordans on there. You can find Nikes, you can find Yeezys, all that different stuff. They're just a shoe replica company. And we got to get into these shoes because they are bomb. I peeked, y'all, because I have to peek in my packages now to figure out what company is what nowadays and what tracking number is what. Y'all know how my videos go. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you are into videos like this, because I do a lot of replica videos. And I'm gonna have all the information for this company in the description box down below and somewhere on the screen, as well as their contact information. If I have a coupon code, it will be on the screen and in the description box down below. So y'all, let's just get into this unboxing. That's enough rambling. So my shoes did come via FedEx. They just came in this box. Y'all already know we're dealing with the cardboard box. So they just came in bubble wrap. Most of these replica companies do a really great job of making sure that the shoes are protected during shipment. So that is always good. This is the box, y'all. It's just this red Nike box. And then here's the bottom of the box, y'all. So the box came in pretty good condition, which is good. I did get these in a man's 7, which is just a woman's 8.5, as y'all can see. This is what it's looking like when I first open it. Right off the bat, y'all do get the StockX information. Y'all know I love when replica companies include the StockX information because it makes the experience more authentic. And I also like when they include receipts because, again, it makes your purchase feel more authentic. Y'all know I have did so many of these videos, so it's just repetitive for me at this point. Here is the StockX card that it came with. It came with the StockX little sticker. It is the little tag you get as well. And then it came with some Adidas socks, which actually look pretty valid. That's always nice. And then you do get your 3 different receipts. Y'all know I like to breeze through these. Feel free to pause the video at any point if you are interested. Here's the first receipt, y'all. Here's the second receipt that you get. And most of the companies do a good job of making that QR code match the actual website. And then this is the third and final receipt that you are gonna receive with these shoes and with this company. And then I also see this, it's like a little Nike card. Can't read none of it, but they include that. And then you get your traditional tissue paper. Okay. Y'all, these videos are always kind of exciting because, like, hello, it's an unboxing. Like, who don't love an unboxing? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, Zing shoes. Yeah. Y'all did y'all thing. Okay, y'all, this is how the shoe is looking straight out the box. They smell really good. They got that new shoe smell. We love that new shoe smell. These look really, really good. They definitely have a nice weight to them. This is what the other side of them look like. They did come with this little hang tag. Look at that Air Jordan sign, y'all. And then there's the Nike sign. Looks really, really good. And these are pretty thick, which we like. Even the tongue has a nice thickness to it. Y'all know I always pay attention to quality and details when it comes to these replica companies, because most of them get it down pat, but I have noticed that working with different companies that some shoes are more of a higher quality than others, and I've been just learning that as I go. But these are definitely really good quality, not cheap, not thin. They definitely are thick, and they look and feel really, really good, y'all. Here is the bottom of them. They look really good, and y'all know my Sony ZV-1 never comes to play. These look so good, y'all. They come with the little shoe insert to help the shoe keeps its shape. They come with black laces that I have to finish lacing up. And then this is just what the inside of the shoe looks like. It just says Nike Air, and then it does have the women's size 8.5 down there. And then this is what the inside of the tongue is giving. And then the front of the tongue. These look great. They look bomb. There's actually a tag in there as well. There it is. Y'all, these are bomb. It's the quality for me. I say it in every video, but these replica companies, they really be outdoing themselves. And y'all, I don't know how much these are retailing for. I think they like StockX, I think they 290 something right now from what I've seen. Of course, that depends on your size, but these are a fraction of the cost. Again, if you are interested in purchasing these, I will have all the information down below, as well as a coupon code if I have one. These are bomb. I think the colorway is also really different, y'all, and I really like them. This is the other shoe. You also do get silver shoelaces with these. Again, y'all, the quality is everything. Even the stitching, like, look at this, y'all. Look at this shoe. Replica wear. Replica wear, okay? So again, you do receive the extra pair of silver laces. And then it's the exact same thing as the other shoe. Comes with the insert. Y'all, these are definitely bomb. And I 10 out of 10 recommend this company. Look at these. Look at these. Like, come on, y'all. Just get into the quality. Yeah, we about to get straight into this on foot review. Y'all know how these videos go. If you've been on my channel for a little while, I like to unbox the shoe, show y'all the quality and what you guys gonna get, and I like to do an on foot review. But let's give y'all a little outfit option. I feel like I started the videos that way, so I have to finish them that way. I don't know how many times I have to say it, but these replica companies do not come to play. All right, y'all, if y'all watch my university blue ones, then y'all seen this shirt already, but we just mixed the outfit up and gave it a whole different look with these ones right here. Y'all, I did not expect to like these as much as I do. Like, I didn't expect to like the silver toes as much as I do, but I love them and I love this outfit. So we got the black little graphic tee with the white words on it. We got some distressed gray, like a dark gray denim. And then we got the star of the show. Y'all, make sure y'all freaking check them out because these are bomb. The quality is amazing. Y'all seen in my freaking on foot review, like, say these not bomb. You can't say they're not bomb. These are bomb. 10 out of 10 recommend. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all did enjoy this video. Make sure you hit that bell for post notifications and check the company out. I will have all the information down below, and I will see y'all in the next video.